Hey everyone, I'm Trevor, and today we're going to take you on some hidden gem hotel tours around the Anaheim area that are close to Disneyland. So let's get going. All of the hotels in today's video are affiliated with Getaway Today. Just give them a call and tell them that SoCal Disney Dad sent you, or click the link down in the description and use my coupon code to save off their already discounted packages. We're going to begin our hidden gem hotel tours with the Best Western Plus Pavilions. These first two hotels are considered value hotels. The room you're seeing right now is a standard 2-queen room. Nothing particularly fancy here, pretty standard room and bath. One item of note, however, is the microwave. Not a lot of hotels have this. The Pavilions does have a fitness room available for use, but it's pretty sparse. There's a guest laundry, which is super helpful. It costs $4 each for use of both washers and dryers. You'll need to bring your own detergent, and do note the hours of availability. Despite the value motel appearance, there is an elevator on site as well as electric vehicle charging stations. The outdoor pool is open from 9 a.m. to 11 p.m. and includes a hot tub and main pool area. Towels are provided, so no worries there, but you will need to bring your own life vest or floaties for the kids. The Pavilions features a beautiful lobby and complimentary coffee machine. Snacks are available for purchase along with any medicines or personal items you might have forgotten to bring. Though the Pavilions has a slightly lesser appeal, it does come with some exclusive Getaway Today perks if you book through them, such as a 4th night free and no resort fees, which saves about $7 a night. Next up, we have the Best Western Plus Stovall's Inn. This is right down the street from the Pavilions, about a 3-minute walk. Both of these hotels are located on Katella Avenue behind Disney California Adventure, close to the Pixar Place Hotel. The lobby in here is also nice. They have a self-checkout grab-and-go store with a larger selection of snacks and personal items than the Pavilions, including some cereal for breakfast. Speaking of breakfast, both Best Western Pluses feature free breakfast. I had the pleasure of staying at this hotel, and the potatoes were great, as well as the French toast sticks. As far as hotel breakfasts go, this is a pretty good one. Now, the Stovall's has some renovated rooms and unrenovated rooms. This first one is a look at their newer, updated style. It once again features a microwave, but otherwise it's still just a standard hotel room. The key feature of the updated rooms is the lighting and more convenient outlets. The colors in the unrenovated rooms are darker, but the overall comfort level of the rooms are the same, minus the extra outlets. The Stovall's Inn features 2 pools and 3 hot tubs, though the hot tubs were all in use, so I didn't film them. In the same area as the pools, there's a fitness room with quite a few more options in comparison to the Pavilions. For both Best Westerns, you either walk to the park, which takes about 15 to 20 minutes, or you can ride the Art Bus, which costs $6 per person per day. There are different rates for children and seniors, as well as 3-day and 5-day passes available. For a more in-depth look at the Stovall's Inn, hit that like and subscribe button, because the individual hotel review will land on the channel next week. Our next hotel is the Hampton Inn & Suites Anaheim Resort Convention Center. This would be considered a moderate property for our list of hidden gem hotels near Disneyland. This hotel is also located on Katella Avenue, but on the opposite end as the Best Westerns. It's close to the Garden Walk and is about a 20-minute walk to the park, or you can once again use the Art Bus. The Hampton Inn features a beautiful lobby and huge breakfast area. As with any Hampton Inn, breakfast is complimentary, which is a huge perk as most hotels near Disneyland don't offer this. They do have a convenient snack corner that also features a microwave, so you can grab some mac and cheese, popcorn, or ramen and make it right there. The rooms are super bright and modern with a clean appearance. This first room here is a 2-queen standard room like you'd normally expect to find. Every room features a mini fridge and microwave, and I cannot understate how rare it is to find a microwave in room. The bathroom is nice and features a tub, which is also important to note as not all hotels do. The next room we toured was a family king suite that sleeps 6, which features a king-sized bed in the main room, a bunk bed in the neighboring room, and a pull-out couch. The bathroom was similar between the 2 rooms, and once again, this room features a fridge and microwave. Guest laundry is from 6 a.m. to midnight and costs $4 each cycle in both washers and dryers. The fitness center and pool are both available from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. In addition to exercise equipment, this fitness room also features free weights and exercise balls. The rooftop pool features a hot tub and main pool with gorgeous views of the area. Towels are provided, and there's even an outdoor rinsing station. Next, we move over to the Homewood Suites by Hilton Anaheim Resort Convention Center. This one is located off of Harbor Boulevard, south of Katella, right next to the Toy Story parking lot. You can just walk over there and grab one of the free Disney buses that'll drop you off at the gates of the park. Homewood Suites has a beautiful lobby with a snack corner like the others with free coffee available. Once again, we have a free breakfast with a spacious dining area. I didn't get to see what they had to offer, but there's plenty of waffle machines, which is a good sign. The pool area is gorgeous and has the standout feature of 3 gas grills available for guest use on a first-come, first-served basis. In addition to the larger pool, there is a smaller kiddie pool to the side and a very spacious hot tub nearby as well. Homewood Suites is the only hotel on our tour today to feature a game room. It's not big, but it has some variety and is super affordable. In addition to the game room, they have a small basketball court and a mini putting green. This first room is their Queen Suite. They do have a non-suite room, but it's only a few dollars cheaper, so it makes sense to upgrade to the suite, which features a living room with a pull-out couch. In the bedroom, you'll find 2 queens, meaning this room sleeps 6 comfortably. The bathroom isn't anything special, but it does have a tub, as I often like to point out, in case you have a little one who doesn't like showers. But perhaps one of the best features of this room is the small kitchenette that will allow you to cook your own food. Whether it's to save money in the parks or because of allergies, the Homewood Suites is worthy of your consideration. This second room is a king family suite. It has a pull-out couch just like the Queen Suite, a very spacious king-size bed in the bedroom, and a bunk bed in the next room over with a third pull-out trundle that allows this room to comfortably sleep 6. Now you might think that you could sleep 7 in here, but on their website they specifically do list 6. The bathroom and kitchen area remain the same. Next, we're going to move over to the Spring Hill Suites at Anaheim Resort Convention Center. This one is just off the Harbor Boulevard and Katella Avenue intersection, right next to the CVS Pharmacy, which has souvenirs and a minute clinic if your child gets sick or has an ear infection. I feel like I'm repeating myself a little bit, but the lobby is gorgeous and features a market with personal items and snacks available for purchase. Spring Hill Suites also features a free hot breakfast with large seating area. Not only that, it has room service with no delivery fees from up to 8 different menus. The first room we toured was a kid's suite which features a bunk bed right inside the door, a sofa sleeper, and 2 queen beds. This room is huge with a maximum occupancy of 7 and views of Disney California Adventure on one side. It also has a microwave and fridge to top it off. The bathroom is nice and modern, but contains a walk-in shower. For a kid's suite, I would have preferred a tub. Before we check out the next room, let's pop out to the rooftop pool, which isn't large, and there's no hot tub, but it does feature a lounge area with gorgeous views of the park and would be great for watching the Disneyland fireworks. The fitness center is open from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. and features views of the pool and park while you work out. The next room is a 2-queen suite, which is essentially the kids' suite minus the bunk beds. This room was located on the other side of the building, and here's a look out the window. All in all, it's still a beautiful room in a beautiful hotel. Once again, the bathroom is nice, but no tub is present. As with some of the other hotels on this list, Spring Hill Suites does have some exclusive Getaway Today perks. Here, you'll receive $15 off the parking fee, which is about half price before taxes. And finally, we come to the Westin. This one is listed as a luxury hotel, and it shows. They're the #1 hotel in Anaheim on TripAdvisor, in the top 5 in all of Orange County, and they have aspirations to reach the top spot there as well. From the moment you pull up, the Westin exudes elegance. The lobby is spacious and gorgeous. There's a bar with friendly staff and a buffet in the morning, but it'll run you $33 a person. Alternatively, you can order off the menu and it'll be a little cheaper, but there's no free breakfast here. During our tour, they first took us to the fitness studio, which I have to say is really impressive. The size of the place and the sheer amount of exercise equipment makes it clear that fitness is a high priority for them as a company. The atmosphere around the pool was equally impressive and gave off such a relaxing vibe. I could sit there all day, but I felt it had a special elegance to it as the sun was beginning to set and the lights came on. It was perfect. If the pool isn't enough, they have an 11-meter-long spa and gorgeous lounge spaces all around, including a large cabana for rent, but there were people in it, so I didn't get too close. The first room we toured was a standard king that includes a full-size sleeper sofa. Westin's motto and goal when you stay is that you leave a better version of yourself. That means having a good night's sleep. The mattress is called a heavenly bed and is specifically designed for Westin. In the bathroom, their amenities are called Heavenly Bath, with towels also designed for them. There are robes and slippers in every room, and even the fragrance in the air is a unique part of staying with Westin that will imprint itself on your memory. Our host told us the air conditioning is so quiet that guests sometimes think it's broken, but it is on and can be heard by the door only. The second room is a standard queen, but the first thing that stood out to me walking into the room was the view, as this is a park view room. The Westin is located just behind the Incredicoaster on Katella Avenue, and the view from the balcony is perfect. I could easily see myself sitting here every night before bed. The best part is, when the balcony doors are closed, you can't hear a thing. As we step into the bathroom, you'll notice the tub in this room. Our host told us that walk-in showers are a Marriott standard, so if you want a room with a tub, you'll need to request it. We ended our tour and our evening at the Rise Rooftop Lounge. This is a gorgeous dining location that even non-hotel guests can visit. They recommended making reservations at least a week ahead of time for weekend reservations, and day of should be fine in most cases for weekdays. And that's it for our time on this Hidden Gems hotel tour. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. And if you'd like to see my Harbor Boulevard hotel tour, click the video on screen now. Thanks for watching, and we will see you again next time.